Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video we will find out the best website security for WordPress business sites by doing a comparison between Sucuri and Wordfence. If you're looking for the best website security for WordPress business sites in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. Wordfence is the best security plugin for a WordPress site after malware. The free version is robust with great security features. The scanner detects most file-based malware and is able to clean most of what it detects. The firewall is one of the most updated ones and blocks out several threats. The downsides are that website performance takes a huge hit with Wordfence, and their malware cleaning service is expensive. Wordfence scanner was able to detect all the file-based malware we had inserted into our free plugins and themes. If that sounds oddly specific, that's because it is. The brute force protection is superb, and two-factor authentication works like a charm. Wordfence surprisingly doesn't have an activity log, which we thought was very odd. But the real downer is that it is a resource sink. In summary, Wordfence is an excellent security plugin, but with serious lacuna. For all the benefits it has and none of the flaws, malware is the way to go. Sucuri has a good firewall and their malware removal service was great. But the malware scanner failed to detect any malware, even though their team removed it later on. A security plugin without a functioning malware scanner is ineffective. Sucuri is the only other security plugin that has any chance of being considered alongside malware and Wordfence, because it at least functions as a security plugin sometimes. Jetpack and iThemes were write-offs. It is arguably one of the most popular security plugins out there, but it still fails in a fundamental area: malware scanning. Sucuri is a classic case of putting the carriage before the horse. You have to know the site is hacked to get it cleaned, but there is no way to know it is hacked with Sucuri's scanner. Sucuri uses site resources to scan for malware, a scanner that doesn't work, remember? So it doesn't do what it is supposed to and still wrecks site performance. Not a great look for Sucuri. For malware removal, you need to request a cleanup from Sucuri. Fill out a form with all the information you can provide, and the team takes over from there. We got a message back from Sucuri with a post-hack checklist with great recommendations. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.